Hey, it's Matt from Tradesman Digital Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through impressions inside Google Ads. I'm going to go over what they are, why they matter, and how to find the actual amount of impressions you're getting inside your Google Ads account. So to start off, what are impressions? And impressions, by definition from Google, are how often your ad is actually shown. Now, there are a whole bunch of different type of ads, and each one of them displays differently, like banner ads display on the side of a screen, search ads display in the actual search results. There's a lot of different types of ads. And an impression is counted each time your ad is shown on a search result page or other site on the Google network. Now, a lot of people actually overlook the importance of impressions. And so many people just go to actual cost per click. They go to the amount of clicks they're getting, their cost per lead, whatever it is. They don't normally look at impressions one way or another. And impressions are so important because they determine whether or not your account succeeds. And if you're not getting any impressions, your ads aren't showing, your account is not going anywhere. And the sad part about this is a lot of people actually don't have a whole bunch of issues with Google Ads. They just have an impression problem and their ads aren't actually showing. And this could be caused for a multitude of reasons. It could be, too low a budget, the wrong keywords, not using, maybe you need to include the actual search network option. There's just so many things you can do to actually up the amount of impressions you're getting on a regular basis inside Google Ads. But just so many people overlook impressions, and I really think it is something that you should look at in every single one of your Google Ads campaigns just to make sure you are getting enough, so you get enough clicks, you get enough leads, and you get enough sales at the end of the day, so you're making money overall with Google Ads. So how do we actually go about finding the amount of impressions we're receiving on a daily basis? And that's pretty simple. All we're going to have to do is come over here to Google Ads, and then we're going to click on one of our campaigns. We can leave it as all campaigns, but the very first thing that actually pops up, if you haven't changed anything, is clicks and impressions, and it will show you the amount of clicks you're getting. Another thing about impressions is it can be accessed at the campaign level, ad group level, and the keyword level. In order to access impressions at that level, all you have to do is click on one of your campaigns. We can come down here to ad groups, and then it should pop up. Yep, as you can see, all of our ad groups here. You can see impressions right here. Again, this is a demo count, so it has 0. We can come to our keywords, and again, you can see impressions here. They all have 0. Now, if we come back to all campaigns, now for whatever reason, if this is not impressions, maybe you changed it by accident, maybe it just didn't set, all you have to do is actually click on impressions here and then switch it. So maybe it's set to CTR by accident. All you have to do is hit impressions, and then you'll be able to see the amount of impressions your account is getting. Again, you can change this at any level. It's very simple. Google does a very good job of tracking this. So you should be able to see the impressions no matter where you are in the account. Right now, this is a demo account, so it doesn't have any data in it. But if this account was running and we had 0 impressions, generally something's wrong, especially if it's after the first day or two. Then you really got to start asking yourself, okay, is something seriously wrong in this account? And normally I recommend changing a few things. Things you could consider changing are days of the week. You could include weekends, you could include longer hours, you could include more devices if you're only targeting mobile or desktop. You could also include more locations, and this is all really simple to access. All you have to do is click on one of your campaigns here and then hit show more, and then just scroll down. You can hit locations, add schedules, devices. All of that's very, very simple to use. And really, if you just increase your actual locations, chances are you'll have a whole bunch more impressions, provided you can actually target those locations. Now, another thing that you could opt in to is the actual Google Search Network. And I don't absolutely love the actual search partners because I generally find that there is lower quality leads coming from there and lower quality clicks just because Google doesn't monitor it as much. All you have to do to opt into this is just check this off and then hit save, and your ads will appear on all the Google Search Partners network, allowing your campaign to be viable to show on a lot more websites, which is always a good thing if you have very low impressions. Another thing you can do is increase your bidding limit. So say we're setting our target CPA for $50, we might want to up that up to $70 or $80. Really depends on your unique situation. Another thing you can do inside your campaign is add more keywords, which is easy enough. All we have to do is come over here to keywords. I would select an ad group to add these to, so maybe backyard pool installation. And then all we have to do is hit the big blue plus icon and add a few more keywords. You can also consider changing the match type to phrase match or even broad match. I generally don't recommend broad match, but if you're really stressed for keywords, this might be the way to go, especially if there's just such a limited search supply. And those are some of the things you could really do to just help increase the amount of impressions you're getting. And remember, if you're going for a certain amount of clicks at a certain click-through rate, you have to figure out how many impressions you need. And a lot of people, again, overlook that. You have to actually go in, take the time to actually calculate all of this stuff, and it will really make a difference inside your account if you do that properly. Now, if you are looking to actually optimize your account and get more impressions, get more clicks, get better click-through rates, get better conversions, get more leads, and have a whole bunch more account success, you should definitely check out our Google Ads optimization checklist. It's completely free. The link is down below in our little link tree thing, and it really goes over what you should be optimizing on a weekly basis, monthly basis, every 3 months, and then the actual results you're getting so you can actually compare month over month to make sure you're improving inside your Google Ads. But like I said, it goes over everything you need to be doing inside of your Google Ads on a regular basis to get better results. Now, that's everything about impressions. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about how impressions work, leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer it. Check out our Discord server. It's awesome. We're building a great little community around Google Ads inside of it. That link is also in our Linktree link. And other than that, you guys have a wonderful day and take care.